Custom clearance. Whenever you purchase a car in Autowini, one of the most common questions we receive is if the Autowini handles the custom clearance. Autowini does not partake in the custom clearance directly. In most cases, the custom clearance must be done directly by the client at the country of destination. In those cases, we do recommend to get a customs agent in your region so he can help you with this process. In some cases as well, Autowini will point you or contact you with a local custom clearance agent that can be a help in this situation. But in certain cases, you can also purchase a car directly via one of our local agents in your region. If you do purchase a car in Autowini through one of our agents will cover everything. They will do the custom clearance for you and they will help you. So only you have to do is wait for your vehicle. If you want to find local information about agents possibly in your country, just go to the community tab and select local trade information. Find the country you're interested and click on the country. There you will see all the information available of our agent in your country. For example, here it's Angola. For more information, you can always contact our staff and we'll be there to help you. Thank you.
Autowini.